There's cookies and this
Yes, they're cookies. You're very smart, Colin.
that is cookies.
Lot of cookies.
Mom.
The kitty. What are the cookies doing?
It's Christmas.
It is Christmas. Hi, treats. You got a trick or treat book? You're reading.
Annie.
It is. She looks like Annie.
Leo.
Leo, sure, that could be Annie and Leo.
Rocket.
Rocket, yep.
Stars. It's big on Tommy's part. I see this. It says cookies. The parts. I can see it part. It's big on parts.
Colin, do you want to say hi to Aaron? Say hi, Aaron.
Hi,
Say hi, Aaron.
hi,
Yeah.
part.
Hey, you want to say hi to Grandma and Grandpa? Say hi, Grandma. Can you say hi, Grandma?
Hi, fire.
Can you say hi, Madison?
Hi, Nana. I see it too.
Can you say hi, Aunt Joan?
Hi. What?
Hi, Grandpa.
Happy New Year, it's Jacket's cutting it today. Hi, tweets. Yes.
You say hi, Uncle Steve. Colin.